So back to the university/mHUB concept, one of the things that's been outstanding are the classes and the education that they have at mHUB here. Really to be able to, there's a lot of things that you don't know as an entrepreneur and you have to learn it somehow. So your learning options are you can go find someone to teach you, you can find a mentor, you can pay someone to do it, or you can go learn it on your own. And really it's learning it on your own, which is what I've done and trying to do. And in that, you can either look online and try and teach yourself, or you can find classes to help you. And mHUB has outstanding classes from manufacturing to learning how to manage your supply chain to how do you scale up, how do you do quality assurance, how do you look for grants that can help you do research projects. All kinds of things that are essential to building a company and a hardware company, I was able to find here to be able to do that.